What?
Can you make the sound of a bouncy castle over there? You know?
Boing! Boing!
So far.
Boing! 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 Boing!
Does anybody own this nails?
Can you make the sound of an impulse grenade with your mouth?
Impulse grenade. Boom! Boom! Boom!
It's kind of like, I don't like it.
Seriously?
I want to see what happens if I put a bomb on it. I have to.
No, bro, stop. No.
Okay, I'll make my
Here's
own.
your cake, sir.
My food!
I'll be another
My
working.
food!
Bro, just put
My
it back.
food!
I'll be another working.
Yo, bro, can you make the sound of a firework?
I didn't even record you.
Actually,
Okay,
I think I
thank
can.
you. Thank you. Yo, bro, can you make the sound of the freeze
Yeah,
ball?
orange,
Freeze ball.
Orange
Okay, thank you, thank you.
I do not.
You're welcome, Freeze off.
I'm in your
Freeze off. Freeze off. Freeze off. Freeze off.
Bro,
Hey, stop kissing me!
bro,
Weirdo.
can you make the sound of what is it called?
Monkey.
I'm in your head, I'm in your head, I'm in your head, I'm in
Can
your
you make
head.
the sound of a zip
Stop
line?
kissing me!
Stop doing that. Can you make the sound of a zip line?
I'm in your head.
I'm in your head, I'm in your head, I'm in your head.
I'm in your head. I'm
I'm in your head, I'm in your head, I'm in your head, I'm in your head, I'm in your head.
Okay, bro, that's it. I'm using my ultimate power.
Take my legacy.
Just make the sound with your mouth. Okay,
Give
thank
the
you.
money. Give the
Thanks.
money right now. Back up. You too, man. I'm in the store.
Oh, no, 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 no.